Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 8012 73730 79060.
Shen ka sarkar kan sa weng no lut ya baro ginong de madan ki baju shong de jing de harot ki lenti ya na Khyndailad sa umso sun bat na Khyndailad sa jail road na ba ka sarkar ka kwa ba ya ki te ki artali ki lenti on penlong bet no thik tangkum ki lenti ya Kjat ya gani la ya thu do menteri ka sarkar jela uba pet ya ka kam jungok kai uba polung do uba pol la ong ba ya gani ka jela la jutip kum kata ka jela jong ka put ka tem bat karwai ka siau lani ka baki ong haka ktin Nongway ka capital of music. Bat ban pen I baka long shisha kumta ka sarkar kan ailat yaki Nongput Nongtem Nongruai Nongsiao bakin penbernya lani kin Pynjah Thait yaki Nongïaid Kjat kibaya lenti lengba ka tei kejaka. Yaki Nongde madan pat ula ong baka sarkar kan ra syaki wei pat kejaka kibala pen kre na ka benta jongki.
Kejide bakaniga pedestrianization ya ka Khyndailad. Lani ban pedlong ya ka Khyndailad. Thait tang dak benta jongki Nongïaid tak Kjat. Te agawai bakani ke meeting ke ba along mene ke bala attend lang da di departments concerned baru untuk ya ke police municipal board nang ta di muda bat kiwi-kiwi dia ki bala long concern ni rai banginya syakmat ban penlong ya ka Khyndailad ke stretch jong ke benda ke barum syapok Khyndailad syaduk ke ban join syalat umsosun bat ke webre ke liang ke poi sya jail road ya ke ni area ni penlong ni pen kelai ka batang ki brio ki ban Nongïaid Kjat in yo padrung tu bat ke plan kalong bat ki nong song ki hawkers on pen kenria ki sya ki jaga ki ba kasarkar kelak dan lupa ki commercial complex kum kemuda complex nanta puluh market bat parking lot mat pran di ngin ya kini ka kam na IT haka district administration kat kum ka inventory ke bangidan jongki registered hawkers but ya kata kejuk ke area pada ngin penkelai ka syaka music hub haka ba ki kindon ki nong ruai dan naki ki ba tem certain rai dan juga dari ke wewe ki terat juga music tambah ke bamut hi ya kini ki norwa ki baki khat ki baskas in yo ban perform ha silentel juga ni kan jaka ke bamut ba kin entertain ya ki pedestrians bawan bayat Kjat ki tourist ki bawan jengok ke Shillong kenang ba kan hap kat kum kajing kot jongi ya ke Shillong kum the music capital jongkari India di ya ki nongshong ha ka jaga kendon ke timing imbu di timing ban kata beje hadu kata beje kindai por bakila ban rung bat ban man phai te ki babun pada ki kenta jong gasngi gin habit baganom freely nak bentak Nongïaid Kjat de kita kira issues ba ada pan agreement dak sini ni kemi lenti batang wa adapt hi kene ka by election soyong si ha bentar ban kong jong nai June nomor ban shift ya kini ki brio But la IT ya ke municipal board, but ke district administration, but police bahkan le ke badan kam. Di nangtakan dan ru ki improvement work renovation ya ke lenti Kjat, but jingpen ha ya ki segi electric cables but kumta ter di kani kakam kan ni kemi lenti bangin la ban kalak mencium ar lai benai and they ideally kanam dei ban poi shadow ki benta kariban long lak mumo ha benai October ye ba nila ban penong pendap complete ya ka di improvement pada namar ba kani kalak dei lupa ka smart city initiative ba sedang daga sarkar kala dia ya kini kejo smart city initiative kani ka thang pada ka phase 1 jong ka list of areas to be covered under smart city, meaning ba ngin pendek syai kini ka thang nang ba nda ngila long ready but kini ki Nongïaid Kjat kila banyak ka ba condition ke ba biang do nama tajuk ki ke registration kalau ada lupa the process of registration kalau ada stang municipal board ke list ke dan batki manu bade nak kenu ke area kitip de ke ba ngin let minta on a priority basis pada kalau ba ngin identify ki jakah ke ba pencong ki. Our concern is with registered hawkers and those who comply with the laws of the land because there are laws passed by the state government, there are instructions issued by the central government. So in conformity with whatever laws are in place, they will be suitably rehabilitated. Well, as I said, we have something called the law of the land. The law of the land will prevail. No one is above that law. They will have to conform to that law. The streets of Shillong do not belong to any single group of individuals. And the most affected here in the city, when you compare to any other city, are pedestrians. Because on the one side, you have motorists and bikers. On the other side, you have hawkers. What about people who walk? They also have rights. So, in order to encourage them and also to encourage good health, we will have to declare, and we have decided to declare Khyndailad as a pedestrian zone to encourage people to walk around, enjoy good music, see how Shillong just does not claim to be a music capital, but actually is a music capital by encouraging young singers to be all around that stretch. And it would be more in the interest of the citizens of Shillong and of that area. It will be better for them to hear musicians than to hear hawkers screaming. As of now, our first test case will be Khyndailad stretch from the start of the Khyndailad point as you enter inside into 2 points, one leading to Jail Road, the other leading to that entire stretch.